Hi. So when you get the software link, download it on your desktop, extract in your file MIPS, and double click. Smart Pass Setup, select language to English, click OK. Click Confirm. Their installation, click Installation. I have already installed, so I don't go to this step. It will take around 1 minute to install on your desktop. After installation, there is the icon like this, Smart Pass. Double click it. There is the IP, don't close off. Just a copy, click copy, and open the Google Chrome, paste it here, click enter. Sometimes it will take some time. Paste it again. Paste it again. It will come to the login admin, ADMIN. Password is 123456. Click login. Now the device list is offline activated. So make sure the Wi-Fi on your computer is connected with the same Wi-Fi of the 8-inch. So when you open the 8-inch, connect the power cable to the power plug and prepare a mouse, a wireless mouse connected with the USB, and it will go to the surface like this. Click the right key of the mouse. Type the password 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Click OK. It will go to Android. Click Setting. Click the Wi-Fi. Make sure the Wi-Fi is connected the same as your computer. Click the right key, go back. Click the MIPS. Make sure click the round ball. Click. It will have another password. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Click OK. So there's a large management. Click it. Just you see there is a IP on your computer. Tap the IP into the large management. Tap the same IP of this one and open here. Refresh it. It will show online, activate it. And here you can set basic information like the device name. You can change it like office. Sure. And the other things you don't need to change. You can make, if you have a management device, you can devise the group device address and make some remark or note. And device setting here, you can click your company name and change your password. And the other thing, no need to change. And the remote operation, you can restart, you can shut down, you can reset of the 8-inch. And the other things, you can check the manual